We'll guide you through how to turn off Google Safe Search if it's locked. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, if you are a part of a network which has an administrator, you need to go and get them to do it. But if you're just using your own Wi-Fi and you're getting this, we'll guide you through how you can go about it. If I go and press settings at the bottom of google.com and press search settings, we'll press safe search, you can go and see it's locked. So first of all, go to the top right and press the three dots, go down and go and find settings, scroll down to privacy and security, scroll down in here until you find the DNS and tap there. What you can do is go and click on the drop down menu and you can go and press Google, and then you can come back, try refreshing, see if you can change it. If you still can't, come out of there and come to your settings, open your connections, scroll down to more connection settings and press on DNS, set it to automatic or off and press save. We'll then come and return and we'll go and refresh. And now I'm able to go and turn it off.